Hi friends, welcome to my channel. We are going to start our chapter number 3, the pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, let's see what is a linear equation. This is the structure of a linear equation, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and this is a linear equations in two variables x and y. This is the x and y are two variables, and this is the linear equation in two variables x and y. Okay, and this a, b and c are some real numbers, and also we have to remember that the coefficient of these two variables x and y must not be equal to 0. That is, in this equation the a and b must not be equal to 0. Okay, and for every equation there will be a solution. Okay, we can go through that the solution of these linear equations in the coming slides. Now let us see what is the pair of linear equation. A pair of linear equation. Okay, that is, here we have seen a single linear equation. Then what is a pair of linear equation? From the name itself we can see that it will be a pair of linear equations in two variables. That is, when we are taking two linear equations in same two variables x and y like this, that is, here we can see two linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and another one a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Here we are taken two linear equations in same two variables x and y. So we can say that this is a pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, and here the a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are some real numbers. Okay, now let us see what is the solution of a linear equation. Okay, for every equation we know that there will be a solution. So let us see what is the solution of a linear equation. Here we can take ax plus by plus c equal to 0, a linear equation, and can you see two sides of this equal to sign here? This is the left side and this is the right side. That is, for a linear equation there is two sides. One is the left hand side and one is the right hand side. Okay, that is, this side of our left hand can be called as left hand side of this equation, and this side of our right hand can be called as the right hand side of the equation. Okay, now we are taking an equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and this equation can also be written as ax plus by equal to minus c. That is, we are just taking this c into this side. Okay, now the solution of a linear equation is nothing but it is some values given for the variables x and y. Okay, let us see an example here. This is a simple linear equation, 2x plus 3y equal to 5. We can see the left hand here, left hand side of this equation is 2x plus 3y, and right hand side of this equation is 5. Okay, now we are going to give some values for these variables x and y. Let it be x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. Okay, now we are going to substitute these x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 in the LHS of this equation. That is, LHS is now equal to 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1 equal to, we get value 5. When substituting x equal to 1 and y equal to 1, we get that LHS is equal to 5. And can you see that it is equal to the RHS of the equation? Yes, it is now equal to the RHS of the equation. So we can say that this x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 is the solution for this equation 2x plus 3y equal to 5. That is, the condition we have to concentrate in finding the solution of a linear equation is that the LHS of the equation must be equal to the RHS of the equation. That is, when finding the solution, that is the value of the x and y we are taken must be satisfy this condition, LHS equal to RHS. Then we can say that values of x and y is the solution of that equation. Okay, and now let's see how will be the graph of a linear equation. In the 9th standard we have studied that the graph of a linear equation is a straight line, isn't it? Now let us draw a graph of a linear equation here like this. Okay, it is some ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That is a linear equation in two variables x and y. Now in the previous case we have seen that x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 is a solution of that equation, and graphically we can say the solution of the linear equation as some point xy. That is, in the previous case, if it is representing in a graph, we can say point 1 1 is the solution of the linear equation 2x plus 3y equal to 5. Okay, so in general ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is represented in a graph like this, and the solution xy, the point xy will be lying on its graph. That is the solution of the linear equation when representing in graph, that the solution, that is that point will be always lies on the line representing that linear equation. Okay, that is each solution xy of a linear equation in two variables, that is the linear equation in two variables, let it be x plus by plus c equal to 0, will be corresponds to a point on the line representing that equation. Okay, now let us see how will be the graph of a pair of linear equation. Now we have seen a single graph of a single linear equation. Now let's see the graph of a pair of linear equation. Okay, we are taking two linear equations, that is the pair of linear equations in two variables x and y here as a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Let us see how will be the graph of these two lines. Okay, that is, we know that the graph of the linear equation is a straight line. Now let us see the graph of a pair of linear equation, and we can see that it will be two straight lines in the graph. And what are the possibilities of representing that two lines in a graph? There are three possibilities. The first one, it will be the two lines will be intersecting to each other. Okay, these two lines can be intersecting to each other, and another possibility is that these two lines can be parallel to each other. That is, they are not intersecting to each other and they are going as parallel to each other. These parallel lines will not be intersect at any point. Okay, isn't it? And next possibility is that these two lines can be coinciding each other. That is, these two lines can be lies on the same line. These are the possibilities of representing a pair of linear equations graphically. Okay, now we have gone through some basic introduction about the linear equations. Okay, now we can stop here, and in the next video we can discuss the textual examples relating this topic, linear equations and a pair of linear equations, and in that we can see the use of these linear equations in our daily life. So If you like this channel, please subscribe the channel and share with your friends. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.